Imagine standing at the threshold of your future, ready to take on the world. Your educational journey is yours, but what happens when your personal school records become entirely your responsibility? When do your privacy rights officially kick in, giving you control over this vital information? Student FERPA rights, or rights under the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, officially begin at a specific point in a student's life. These rights are transferred to the student when they turn 18 years old or when they attend a post-secondary institution, like a college or university, at any age. At this juncture, the student is recognized as an eligible student under the law. The core mechanism behind FERPA is the protection of student education record privacy. Before a student reaches this eligible student status, the rights concerning their educational records belong to their parents or legal guardians. The law acknowledges that once an individual reaches the age of majority or enters higher education, they are generally considered mature enough to manage their own personal and academic information. This transfer ensures that, as you grow and gain independence, you also gain direct control over your sensitive academic and personal data. This federal law applies to all educational agencies and institutions that receive funds under any program administered by the United States Department of Education. This transfer of rights has practical implications for both students and parents. As an eligible student, you gain the fundamental right to inspect and review your own education records. You also have the right to request that a school correct records you believe are inaccurate, misleading, or violate your privacy. Furthermore, schools are generally prohibited from disclosing personally identifiable information from your education records without your written consent. For parents, once your child becomes an eligible student, your rights transfer to them. To access your eligible child's records, you would generally need their written consent, a court order, or demonstrate that your child is still a dependent for federal income tax purposes. An important nuance of FERPA is the concept of directory information. Schools can release certain non-sensitive information, such as your name, address, major field of study, or dates of attendance, without your explicit consent. However, this is only if they have properly informed you about this policy and given you the opportunity to opt out of such disclosures. This opt-out provision is a powerful tool, allowing you to control what basic information about your educational enrollment is made publicly available. Additionally, understanding the straightforward process for requesting amendments to your records ensures your academic history is accurate and truly reflects your accomplishments and experiences. Ultimately, knowing precisely when your FERPA rights begin and how to effectively exercise them empowers you to navigate your educational journey with confidence and a strong sense of personal agency. It is about safeguarding your unique academic story and making informed choices about who accesses your valuable information, which in turn helps you lay a solid foundation for a successful and protected future.